If your Honda CR-V won't start, don't panic. Most non-starts are caused by simple electrical issues. Statistically, 70% of these no-start cases are just a dead battery or a loose terminal connection. Let's break down the diagnostic process to get you back on the road. Start by checking the battery terminals for corrosion, testing the dash lights, and ensuring your key fob isn't dead. Beyond the battery, check for a loose ground strap or a blown starter fuse, which are common points of failure. If you see a flashing key icon on your dash, your CR-V's security system might be misreading your key. You can handle battery and terminal issues at home, but starter, motor, or ECU problems usually require a shop visit. Here is the typical cost breakdown for these repairs, ranging from simple fuse swaps to more expensive starter replacements. If it still won't crank, use an OBD-I scanner and a multimeter to verify your electrical health. Keep a basic kit with a 10 wrench, multimeter, and scanner in your trunk for emergencies. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery cable first to keep yourself safe while working on your car. Thanks for watching, and check the description for links to the tools mentioned in this video.